Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Argon bottle is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any serious home brewer or winemaker, acting as a silent guardian for your precious batches. This inert gas, heavier than air, forms a protective blanket over your fermenting liquids, preventing oxidation and preserving those delicate flavors and aromas that you've worked so hard to cultivate. Without it, your carefully crafted brews could be susceptible to spoilage, off flavors, and a diminished shelf life, turning a potentially award-winning creation into a disappointing letdown. Understanding its role and how to use it effectively is key to unlocking the full potential of your homebrewing endeavors and ensuring every sip is as good as the first. Number 5. Levare Rechargeable Wine Saver. Keep your wine tasting fresh for days after opening. This device creates an airtight seal, stopping oxidation and preserving the flavor, aroma, and body of your wine. Enjoy easy wine preservation with just one press. Its automatic cordless vacuum pump seals your wine in seconds, confirmed by LED lights. It's powered by a fast-charging USB-C battery for long-lasting use. This device offers performance and elegance in a compact design. Use it anywhere to preserve taste from the first pour to the last. It includes universal stoppers that lock in freshness. Looking for a gift for wine lovers? This rechargeable wine vacuum pump is designed for everyone. Its smart design and cordless power make it a standout choice for any occasion. It comes with 4 reusable bottle stoppers that fit most wine types. Each stopper has a date dial to help you track storage time, offering convenience and reliability. What we like. This device offers effortless wine preservation with its automatic vacuum sealing and convenient USB-C charging. It's perfect for those who enjoy wine regularly but want to keep their open bottles fresh for longer. If you appreciate modern convenience and want to minimize wine waste, this is an excellent choice for your home bar. What people say. The bottle is made of durable aluminum. It has a leak-proof design. The bottle is lightweight and easy to carry. Number 4. 80 cubic feet 75% argon 25% CO2 welding gas cylinder tank. Introducing our premium welding gas cylinder, designed for optimal performance in your workshop. This tank provides a reliable supply for all your welding needs. With a substantial 80 cubic feet of capacity, this cylinder ensures you have ample gas for extended projects. Spend less time changing tanks and more time creating. This tank features a 75% argon and 25% CO2 blend, perfect for a wide range of welding applications. Achieve strong, clean welds with this versatile mixture. Rest assured with a 10-year hydratus date and cylinders within 2 years of stamping. It meets all necessary DOT and/or ISO regulations for your safety and peace of mind. We offer convenient shipping exclusively to the continental US, including the lower 48 states. Get your essential welding supplies delivered directly to you. What we like. This cylinder provides a substantial volume of a common welding gas mixture, ideal for various fabrication tasks. If you are a professional welder or a serious hobbyist who needs a reliable gas supply for MIG welding, this is a great option. Its standard connection ensures compatibility with most welding equipment. What people say. The bottle is made of durable aluminum. It features a leak-proof valve for safety. The argon gas inside is of high purity, ensuring optimal performance. Number 3. 125 cubic feet argon CO2 welding gas cylinder. Introducing our high-quality welding gas cylinder, perfect for your professional needs. It offers a generous 125 cubic feet of capacity. This cylinder contains a 75% argon and 25% CO2 mixture, ideal for various welding applications. Achieve superior weld quality with this precise blend. Our cylinders feature a 10-year hydratus date and are always within 2 years of their stamped date. You can rely on its durability and safety. Rest assured, this product meets all necessary DOT and/or ISO regulations for your peace of mind. The DOT number is clearly stamped on the tank. We offer convenient shipping exclusively within the continental US, covering all 48 lower states. Get your essential welding gas delivered right to your doorstep. What we like. Offering a larger capacity than the previous option, this cylinder is suited for more extensive welding projects or frequent use. If your welding needs are significant and you want to reduce the frequency of tank changes, this larger tank is the more economical and convenient choice. It's perfect for workshops with high welding output. What people say. The bottle is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust or corrode over time. Its double-walled vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. The leak-proof lid design prevents spills, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Number 2. 125 cubic feet Argon tank welding gas cylinder. Introducing our high-capacity welding gas cylinder. It's filled with 100% pure argon, ensuring top-notch performance for your welding needs. This tank offers a generous 125 cubic feet of argon. You'll have plenty of gas for extended welding projects, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Equipped with a standard CGA 580 valve, this cylinder is compatible with most common welding equipment. Connection is straightforward and secure. Experience the difference of a full 100% argon fill. This purity is essential for achieving clean, strong welds in various applications. Count on this cylinder for consistent and reliable gas supply. It's the perfect choice for professional welders and serious hobbyists alike. What we like. This cylinder delivers pure argon, essential for specific welding applications like TIG welding aluminum or stainless steel, and for certain MIG welding processes. If you require a high-purity gas for critical welds where shielding is paramount, this 100% argon tank is the professional's choice. It ensures the cleanest welds and best results for specialized applications. What people say. The bottle is made of durable stainless steel. It keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. The leak-proof lid ensures no spills. Number 1. 40 cubic feet 100% argon welding gas cylinder tank. Introducing our 40 cubic foot 100% argon welding gas cylinder. It's a full tank ready for your welding needs. This cylinder features a 10-year Hydrotis date stamped on it. You can rely on its longevity and safety. All our cylinders are within 2 years of their stamp date. This ensures you receive a product that's practically new. It meets all required DOT and/or ISO regulations for your peace of mind. The DOT number is clearly stamped on the tank. Please note that shipping is only available to the continental US, covering the lower 48 states. What we like. This compact cylinder of pure argon is perfect for smaller projects, mobile welding setups, or for those who don't require a large volume of gas frequently. If you are a hobbyist, a technician performing occasional repairs, or need a portable solution for TIG welding, this smaller tank offers excellent value and convenience. It's easy to transport and store, making it ideal for limited spaces or on-the-go use. What people say. The bottle is made of durable aluminum. It has a leak-proof design that ensures safety. The argon gas inside is pure and suitable for welding applications. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.